Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be simplifying a radical. Today we have 4 times the square root of 147. Anytime we simplify a radical, we are going to create a factor tree. Our factor tree is going to be any two numbers that multiply to the number inside. Out front we have a 4. This is called a coefficient, and that 4 is just going to stay outside of our radical and multiply with whatever we take out. So 147, feel free to guess and check. I ended up with 3 and 49. That multiply to 147, and then break down 49 even further to 7 and 7. So you want to remember your tree goes all the way down to the roots, and the roots are going to be any of those prime numbers that can't be broken down into two numbers that multiply to it. We're going to look for partners in crime, and those are the ones that get to escape our radical jail. In this case, we have a pair of 7s. That coefficient 4 is going to stay out front, and we're going to multiply it by any of the partners in crime. That is 7. And then inside of our radical, we have a 3. The only reason we have a 3 is because that's one with no partner. Anyone without a partner on our factor tree, again, those roots, is going to stay inside of that radical jail. So we have a 3, the coefficient came out front, the pair of 7s came out, and then we left the 3 inside. Multiply that 4 and the 7, we get 28 times the square root of 3, and that is our lovely answer. Fun thing about radicals is we're actually not changing the value of it. We're just changing what it looks like. So we can always check these numbers with a calculator. Anytime we plug it into a calculator, we should get those same decimals. So we're going to plug in 4 times 147. Again, you're going to grab your scientific calculator, and you get about 48.497 and some change. We're going to plug in 28 times the square root of 3, and if you should get that same decimal, 48 and change. If you do not, then go back and double check your factor tree. Something might have went wrong, but it's an easy way to check. And I'm your Sneaker Teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.